Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, when I saw this video of Utirelo, I'm like, yes, Utirelo is a corn girl, you guys. Maybe a city corn. Like Tirelo has immersed herself, guys, in the Zulu culture so much. If you didn't know better, you'd swear Utu Ugel is Zulu because like you'd need to be like Zulu Paka to really hear that she's not Zulu. But if you're not Zulu, like the girl, like yeah, even like she speaks her Zulu is very good, you guys, for a Tswana speaking girl. Even that song I'm singing, I'm like, okay, even lessons today of music. Okay, like she's a one girl. But anyway, when I saw this video, I was just like, the car because the car windows that she's in looks similar to a car that Umpumelelo sometimes in. And I just thought to myself, I'm probably thinking things. Now we know that the same day that they went, that Utirela posted this video is the same day that Uvuyokazi was having her Lobona day. And then Usbi Ndumpumelelo posts a picture. I guess this is like a fan. Maybe him and Tirelo seems like they were out. Him Tirelo and Usingabakwa, they were having like many family type of cute vibes. So it looks like they met up with maybe a fan who took a picture with them. And that's when I knew, oh, they were together. So then that confirmed with the other car that I was seeing. I was not actually seeing things. This is actually the car that Umpumelelo normally he rents it out sometimes, and sometimes he's in it. Sometimes it takes a picture next to it. So I guess the guy took out his whip, he took out his car when he can fetch his woman Utirelo, or I don't know where they at, but yeah, it looks like they had some cute mini vibes. So while Utirelo was out there, while Uvuyokazi is out there getting married, they thought to themselves, you know what, let us also go and enjoy some family cute vibes. Yeah, you guys, you know what? I really do wish, like, in a perfect world, I know Utirelo. Let me not say I know. Hey, in a perfect world, I want to guess Utirelo wished that her man was all to herself. Because I mean, these two look like guys, they understand one another, they get one another bestie type of vibes. And I'm just like, so Manalo, why do you allow other women to come in between the two of you guys? If you guys love one another so much, why do you allow other women to come in between you guys? So I don't know, maybe they are in the same city, you guys. Snake did say they are currently shooting season 3 of Izingana's Tembu, so that might be that might be the reason why Utirelo has been with Umpumelelo so much as of late. And so yeah. Anyway, happy vibes, happy family vibes to them. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.